Hello guys, welcome once again and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will be showing you how you can disable only full group by issue permanently, and also I will be showing you how you can increase the concat length max size permanently. So let's get started with this video. Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. So guys, basically what you have to do for permanent solution, you have to open the terminal, and you can see I've already opened here, and you have to write a command which says sudo nano, and here you have to write the path of the file. So the path is etc mysql, and inside this you will able to see my.cnf file. Just open this file here and you will able to see something like this. I have already copied the text which I have to paste it here. So just you have to just go to the end of the line and you have to just paste this command here like this. And also if you want to set max length permanently, instead of doing again and again, you can just paste the code here. I will just show you the code. So you have to just copy this and you have to just write here like this and just paste it. You can I will provide you this text in the description. You can copy the text from there and you will able to see something like this. You have to press Ctrl X and it will ask you for modification, yes, and name of the file is, so I've already saved the file. If you want to check, you can again go to the file and you can check here. In this way it works. So what I have to do is, now I have to just restart the server here, or MySQL service, sudo service restart MySQL. To restart, I just wrote the wrong command here. Sudo service MySQL, and then you have to write restart. Let me just go to the variable here and I search for SQL mode. You will able to see it's not coming here, so that means we have successfully made it permanently. The solution is made permanently, and in this way you can disable the SQL mode permanently. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to share this video. Thanks for watching this video and bye for now.